Hello and welcome to RC4 Wireless. RC4 Wireless is excited to announce compatibility between their products and the DMXcat. Having the ability to connect your DMXcat to your RC4 products gives you the chance to quickly and efficiently make changes to your devices while on set. So if you need to make an address change, you just need to check up on the settings for your unit, or you want to change personality settings, you can do that now through the DMXcat. There are a few things that you need to know before connecting to your RC4 Wireless devices. One, you need to have the most up-to-date firmware for your devices. If you'd like to be part of the beta testing for this new firmware, let RC4 Wireless know. The second thing you need to know for the 2.4 GHz range and the 900 MHz range is that you have to connect your DMXcat directly to the DMX port on your units. You will not be able to connect through your DMX I/O transceiver. If you have any units from RC4 Wireless's Lumen DIM series, you can use a Lumen radio transmitter to make the connection. The last thing you need to know is that there cannot be any traffic on your network when you're trying to connect your DMXcat to your RC4 products. If there is, the DMXcat will not be able to communicate with your RC4 device. You can either change the ID of your RC4 unit or just unplug the transmitter for your RC4 system. Once you have the software open on your mobile device, you'll click on RDM controller. You should see your RC4 Wireless device pop up pretty quickly. Once you see your device, you want to click on RDM, and now we're looking at the device level adjustments for the M4. Think of it as a global adjustment for your device. We can rename the device. We can also change the DMX address of the device. When we change the DMX block address, it'll change each output of that device sequentially. So if you set it to be 101, dimmer A would be 101, dimmer B would be 102, and so forth all the way to dimmer D, which would be 104. When you select DMX personality, you're able to pick the way that your device will perceive DMX. So you can do straight DMX, you can do crossfade mode, you can do flicker mode, you can even do HSL mode. Now that we've looked at the device level, now let's look at the sub-device level, which is adjusting each dimmer individually. Sub-device 1 is dimmer A, sub-device 2 is dimmer B, and so forth down the line. When we click on RDM for sub-device 1, that allows us to change the label and also the DMX address. When we click on dimmer, we can now change the dimming curve, the output response time, and the modulation frequency. You'll notice that there is only one ISL curve now for LEDs. With the newest firmware update, you will use the output response time to change the rate of your ISL curve. For those working in TV and film, you can quickly change the modulation frequency of your dimmers. If we go back to the device level adjustments and we go to product info, we can restore back to defaults. This can be helpful when troubleshooting issues. Now let's go back to devices and select the DMX button. This gives you the ability to bring up each output of your unit individually. This way you can do a channel check pre-show or during the run of the show if you just moved a dimmer to a new set piece and you want to do a quick check before it goes on stage. In addition to a dimmer check, you can also pull up a sensor menu. In this menu you can read your current voltage from your power supply, you can check on the temperature of your unit, and you can monitor your current draw. Make sure you follow RC4 Wireless on social media and subscribe to their YouTube channel to stay up to date as new firmware and devices come out. Thanks for joining us and happy storytelling!